Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over some things concerning lessons in life. If you're having repeating uh, instances that are coming back into your life in different forms, you're attracting the same type of men that you don't want to attract, or women that you don't want to attract, but they keep appearing again and again in your life. Or you're always running out of money. You're always finding yourself in that mode where you're thinking or saying, I never have enough money. These are things that can change. These are lessons in life of what you're attracting in your life, what your vibration is. Don't let it discourage you. You can change it. You can change it with affirmations, with script writing, with ways that you talk and think. You can change it. So when you have another lesson in life, because the universe does this, if we're not learning the lesson the first or second time around, it will keep reappearing in our life until we do. So a good active practice would be to ask yourself the question, what is it I need to learn about this situation? Why does it keep reappearing in my life? Why do I react to it the way I do? If we can change the way we think about it and just recognize it for what it is, a lesson, we can change it around to making it worthwhile in our lives. What can I learn from this? How can I change this? And you can structure your affirmations around what you want to change. If it's attracting the same type of man or woman, which I did for years with my husbands and relationships, I would start by saying what I really want in my script writing. What kind of man do I really want? What kind of dates do I want? What kind of characteristics of the man that I truly want to attract is? If you're finding yourself in the same broke situations, what can you learn from it? How am I thinking about money? Are you friends with money? Do you love money in a good way? I don't mean in a greedy way, I mean in a good way. Do you realize that money's just paper? It has no real value unless you put the value on it. What can money do for you? How would it change your life if you had more of it? What kind of lessons can you learn from having more money? Can you feel appreciative and loving towards the money that you do have? Towards the fact that you have a credit card maybe, and that you can access what you want? Are you appreciating the money as it's going out in bills and thanking God, thanking the universe that your bills are paid, and thanking God for all the abundance that's coming your way you don't even know about yet? These are things that you can tweak and fine tune to your personal situation and get a new result out of it. More income, raises, or maybe even starting a new business. Makes living fun instead of attracting the same situations over and over again. Let's learn from them and tweak our thinking, our affirmations, our meditations, our script writing, whatever technique that you are using at the moment. Tweak it for your advantage and start working in a way that you're changing your thinking, changing your speaking. Get rid of I'm broke and change it with I am prosperous. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I am attracting new people into my life. I am attracting what I want. I am attracting a new opportunity for more income into my life. Try that and see what shows up in your life. Remember, life is just a bunch of lessons, and we get the same one over and over again until we learn to change what we're doing and what we're speaking, what we're thinking and saying. There's subliminals to help you. I have a link down below that you can use mine, or there's tons of them on YouTube. And you can also purchase from me custom-made affirmations for whatever situation that you are looking at in your own personal lives. So, with that, I'm going to leave you. I hope this resonates with you. I hope it helps you. My passion is helping people achieve their dreams, and my mentor and my teachers helped me get on the right path. So I just hope this helps somebody out there. You are deeply and divinely loved. Never forget that. I appreciate and love each one of you. God bless you. Love and light to each one of you, and may you have a tremendous day. Bye for now.